Hi, and welcome to another edition of Insurance Chat. I'm Chris, and I'm with Bob, and today we're going to be talking about wind coverage, or even in the case of a tornado, which we had one come through, I think it was last week or so. And so we want to make sure that everyone's got the right coverage in their policy for the tornado or wind coverage. That would be business interruption, deductible, and actually the coverage itself. So why don't we talk about business interruption? So what has been a business interruption?
Yeah, on the commercial side of the insurance, business interruption or business income and extra expense coverage is there to protect the business for those additional expenses that incur while you're during this period of restoration. So we've been getting a lot of different questions about it, whether it's people that did get hit with the tornado or that were missed but are really concerned, like what if that would have happened. So coverages that we're hearing questions about are property insurance. How will my landlord's policy interact and respond with our policy? And then most importantly, though, that business interruption coverage.
Right, because once your business is stopped, doesn't mean that your bill stops. So we got to get coverage for that, for bills and for payroll.
Well, payroll is a big one. That's one that people are very concerned, and that can be covered in the policy. Important to note, though, that not all policies include business interruption, and there's a lot of different ways to cover it. So you could have unlimited coverage for a period of time, like 12 months, or you can have a limit in the policy. Different co-insurance can be involved, so lowering the limits, and it's really an important coverage to evaluate and review.
Yeah, so definitely real important to have your policy reviewed to check for those coverages there.
I know on the homeowners side, there's some coverage there too.
Yeah, I was just going to mention that. So instead of business interruption, it's called loss of use. So when if your house is hit by a tornado and you can't get back in your house, you need somewhere to stay. So the insurance will cover for rental of a different location. So either be a hotel or maybe a rental property. So make sure to check your policies to make sure that they have that information in there, and we can definitely give you more information if you want us to. I think that one other thing with the wind coverage is the deductible. Lately, there's been a change in some policies of how that's covered. Bob, why don't you go over that?
Yeah, on the homeowner side especially, we've been seeing the different insurance markets tightening up on how they handle wind and hail. In the past, you might have a $500 or $1,000 deductible. Now they're going towards, not all of them, but they're going towards a percentage of the replacement cost of the structure. So, for example, if I have a $500,000 home and I have a 1% deductible, it's going to be $5,000. And a lot of people don't realize that that's in there. Other markets have even gone to 2 and 2.5%.
Yeah, so that can get costly. Your out-of-pocket expense can be, pretty big if you have a percentage instead of a regular set deductible. So check for that.
And they can be different deductibles in the policy. So you might there's $1,000 deductible for a certain type of claim, but then they'll break that out separately for this type of claim.
Right. So if people want more information about their policies or any questions that they may have for us, how do they get a hold of us?
Yeah, they can email us at info@crm-inc.com or check us out on our website at www.crm, like corporate risk management. So crm-inc.com.
Great. Until next time, we'll see you.